Nespresso versus espresso. Pods or pressure, who wins? In the ever-evolving world of coffee, two titans stand at opposite ends of the spectrum, each vying for the title of the ultimate coffee experience. On one side, we have the time-honored tradition of espresso, a method that has captivated coffee enthusiasts for over a century with its rich crema and complex flavors. On the other, the modern convenience of Nespresso, a system that promises barista-quality coffee at the touch of a button. This clash between pods and pressure represents more than just a choice in brewing methods. It's a reflection of our changing lifestyle and expectations in the digital age. The debate between Nespresso and traditional espresso is not just about taste or convenience. It's a profound exploration of how we value our time, our traditions, and our daily rituals. As we navigate through busy lives, the allure of a quick, consistently good cup of coffee becomes ever more appealing. The Coffee Revolution, Tradition Meets Innovation. Brief history of espresso. The story of espresso begins in Italy at the turn of the 20th century. Invented as a method to brew coffee quickly for busy workers, the espresso machine revolutionized coffee consumption. The key innovation was the use of high pressure to force hot water through finely ground coffee, resulting in a concentrated shot with a distinctive layer of crema on top. The rise of Nespresso and pod-based systems. Fast forward to the 1970s, and Nespresso enters the scene, introducing a new concept, coffee pods. The idea was simple yet revolutionary to bring cafe-quality espresso into homes and offices with minimal fuss. The Nespresso coffee maker quickly gained popularity for its convenience and consistency, challenging the traditional espresso machine's dominance, shifting coffee culture and consumer preferences. Today, coffee culture is more diverse than ever. While some coffee enthusiasts still swear by the traditional espresso machine, many have embraced the convenience of pod-based systems. This shift reflects broader changes in consumer behavior, where speed and ease of use often take precedence over traditional methods. Brewing mechanics, pressure, pods, and precision. Traditional espresso extraction process. A traditional espresso machine operates on a simple yet precise principle. Water is heated to the optimal temperature, typically around 200 degrees Fahrenheit, and forced through compacted ground coffee at high pressure, usually 9 bars. This process, which takes about 25 to 30 seconds, extracts the coffee's oils, flavors, and caffeine, resulting in a concentrated shot topped with crema. Nespresso's capsule technology explained. Nespresso machines use a different approach. Pre-packaged coffee pods containing a precise amount of ground coffee are punctured and then subjected to hot water under pressure. The best Nespresso machine models can reach up to 19 bars of pressure, though the actual extraction occurs at a lower pressure. This system ensures consistency and eliminates the need for grinding or tamping. Comparing bar pressure and extraction times. While traditional espresso machines typically operate at 9 bars of pressure, Nespresso machines often boast higher pressure capabilities. However, the actual extraction process in Nespresso machines occurs at a lower pressure, usually around 5 to 7 bars. Extraction time for Nespresso is generally shorter, around 15 to 20 seconds, compared to the 25 to 30 seconds for traditional espresso. Flavor profiles, depth, variety, and consistency. Analyzing the taste spectrum of traditional espresso. Traditional espresso offers a wide spectrum of flavors, largely dependent on the coffee beans used, the roast level, and the barista's skill. A well-pulled espresso shot can exhibit complex notes ranging from chocolatey and nutty to fruity and floral, all underscored by a rich body and a layer of crema. Nespresso's flavor range and proprietary blends. Nespresso has developed a range of proprietary blends to cater to different taste preferences. These Nespresso pods come in various intensities and flavor profiles, from light and fruity to dark and intense. While they may not offer the same depth of flavor as freshly ground beans, they provide consistent results and a wide variety of options. The impact of brewing method on taste and aroma. The brewing method significantly impacts the final taste and aroma of the coffee. Traditional espresso, when done right, can produce a more nuanced and complex flavor profile. Nespresso, while perhaps lacking some of the depth found in traditional espresso, offers consistency and a range of flavors that are easily accessible to the average consumer. The user experience. Learning curve for traditional espresso making. mastering the art of espresso making is no small feat. It requires understanding variables like grind size, tamping pressure, water temperature, and extraction time. For many, becoming a proficient home barista is a rewarding journey, but it does demand time, patience, and practice. Ease of use and speed of Nespresso systems. In contrast, Nespresso systems are designed for maximum convenience. With pre-measured pods and automated brewing processes, users can make coffee with the push of a button. This simplicity makes Nespresso an attractive option for those who prioritize speed and ease of use in their morning routine. Customization options for both methods. Traditional espresso machines offer extensive customization options. Users can experiment with different beans, grinds, and extraction parameters to craft their perfect shot. Nespresso, while more limited in this regard, does offer some customization through its range of capsules and the ability to adjust water volume on many models. Economic considerations, initial costs, and long-term value. Comparing machine prices and features, the initial cost of a good espresso maker can be significantly higher than that of an espresso machine. High-end espresso machines can cost $1,000+, while even entry-level models often exceed the price of most Nespresso systems. However, espresso machines typically offer more features and greater longevity. Pod costs versus whole bean expenses. In the long run, the cost per cup can be higher with Nespresso due to the price of pods. Buying whole beans for a traditional espresso machine is generally more economical, especially when purchased in bulk. However, this cost difference may be offset by the potential waste of beans when learning to dial in the perfect shot. Maintenance and durability factors. Traditional espresso machines often require more maintenance, including regular cleaning and occasional servicing. However, they are typically built to last and can be repaired. Nespresso machines, while requiring less maintenance, may have a shorter lifespan and are often replaced rather than repaired when issues arise. Versatility and drink options. Beyond the basic shot, milk-based drinks and traditional espresso. Traditional espresso machines, especially those with steam wands, offer great versatility for creating milk-based drinks like lattes and cappuccinos. The ability to steam and froth milk manually allows for customization and the development of latte art skills. Nespresso's approach to lattes and cappuccinos. Many Nespresso models come with milk frothing attachments or separate milk frothers, allowing for the creation of milk-based drinks. While these systems can produce decent lattes and cappuccinos, they may lack the fine control and customization options of traditional machines. Adaptability for different coffee preferences. Traditional espresso machines can be used to make a wide range of coffee drinks, from ristrettos to Americanos. Nespresso systems, while more limited, do offer a variety of pod options to cater to different tastes and strengths. Final thoughts. As we reach the end of our deep dive into the world of Nespresso and traditional espresso, it becomes clear that declaring a definitive winner is no simple task. The battle between pods and pressure is not just about the quality of the coffee produced. It's about the entire experience of coffee consumption and what it means to different people. Traditional espresso, with its rich history and artisanal approach, offers a depth of flavor and a level of customization that appeals to coffee purists and enthusiasts. The journey of learning to pull the perfect shot, the ritual of grinding fresh beans, and the satisfaction of creating latte art are experiences that cannot be replicated by an automated system. For those who view coffee as a craft and are willing to invest time and effort into perfecting their skills, the traditional espresso machine remains the gold standard. On the other hand, Nespresso has revolutionized home coffee brewing by making good quality espresso accessible to a wider audience. Its convenience, consistency, and variety of flavors cater to the needs of busy professionals and casual coffee drinkers who want a reliable cup without the learning curve or time investment required by traditional methods. Meta description: explore the Nespresso versus espresso debate. Discover the pros and cons of pod and traditional brewing methods for your perfect coffee experience.